You can see that where there was no tape before, we have reinstalled the pipe and I've taped it up. I removed the duct tape, which is not the proper product, and taped up with the Flex Fit tape. And now down here, as we pan down, you remember this joint. So what we're going to do is we're going to put back one of the screws here on camera, so you can see how that goes. So we're going to drive the screw in to hold this in place, right where it was. And then, once that's secure, just snug is good, we're going to apply the proper tape. Again, this is to seal any excess airflow that would allow buildup of lint that you then saw we had to clean out. So, we get the tape on that joint. And this will also help secure the connection. And again, you want it on there snug. Properly installed tape is better than a lot of tape that isn't properly applied. So there you go. We've taken the vacuum and we've cleaned out behind here. Carl, can you get behind here to take a shot? This is all thoroughly clean back here now. All the dust has been removed. We vacuumed inside of the machine. We're going to slide the machine back into position. While Carl's running the camera, I'll do that. Carl, want to keep that shot back there, please?
Yeah. Oh.
So they can see us attach the vent. The vent simply reattaches. It's resecured with a screw. And plug your dryer back in and your wash machine back in, and you're good for another 6 months to a year. That's all there is to it. If you have any questions, feel free to contact me at 847-636-0771 or visit our website. It's brand new, looks good, www.asklon.com. Be safe, everybody. Thank you.